We have enjoyed a beautiful few days of summer weather across Northeast Ohio. Chief Meteorologist Betsy Kling joins us with a full look at your forecast. Hey, Betsy.
Hi there, guys. Yeah, things are getting a little dry around here now. We've kind of swung the pendulum the other direction. We were dealing with so much heat, so much humidity, all the rain, and now things are going the other direction. So it's a little parched out there in this dry stretch that continues on. So keep things watered. The gardens are certainly perking up right now and things are getting a little bit balanced out. So if you keep watering, things should continue to move on beautifully. We have a nice night and as you can see, there are a few little isolated shower or thunderstorm chances that are trying to pop up in Northeast Ohio. We certainly have the heat as our temperatures have been in the low 80s today. The radar has not really shown us a whole lot. Currently, the National Weather Service radar in Cleveland is down. That's kind of been going back and forth, so I was hoping maybe we would catch it in a good moment, but we haven't. So we'll flip it over to a different product, which actually helps to stitch together that radar picture with the help of surrounding radars. And you can see we have had a few little blips that have been showing up today. Most of these earlier were out to the east. Now we have a couple hit or miss showers that are ongoing in portions of places like Wayne County up into Medina County. This is really kind of the same story we're going to have for tomorrow. Showers have been a little bit more numerous in southwest Ohio, also in western Pennsylvania, and well off to the south of us. Trying to pin down exactly why these are happening in any certain spot, it's all just kind of hypotheticals at this point. So we're going to continue on with this idea that we'll still have pop-up shower or thunderstorm chances for the next few days. What you're not seeing, though, is that air quality, and we have haze yet again here in Northeast Ohio. Today, a very different haze day than yesterday. Yesterday, it was smoke that was thick in the upper parts of the atmosphere, even down into the lower surface layers. We do have an air quality alert that continues through midnight, and we are seeing some unhealthy for sensitive group levels in places like Akron and Canton, but really otherwise we have not seen too many problems. There's two different smoke products that we follow, two different kind of measures of smoke. One is called near surface smoke. This is the one that's really concerning for us as far as breathing capabilities. And then there's also vertically integrated smoke. That's the one that kind of puts that white milky haze over the sky. The white milky haze moved out, so we actually got to see blue skies, but the haze on the surface is going to be coming back. And you can see in our animation here, as we go forward tomorrow to 7 a.m., we're starting to get some of the colors getting back in here. So you're probably going to see some smoke, low levels of this wildfire smoke that's been moving all around the eastern half of the country. And then we're expecting it to actually pick up in intensity later in the day tomorrow. So don't plan on seeing the blue skies. They'll probably be a little bit milky or smoked over, if you will, as we head especially through the afternoon. Here's your National Designer hour by hour forecast. We take out the smoke factors and we put back in the clouds and the showers, and you can see we have these isolated rain chances that will be with us this evening. I think these are going to be few and far between. We'll continue with partly cloudy skies then as we head toward the midnight hour. Early morning, we're anticipating temperatures to drop back into the low 60s, and then by daybreak we're going to have partly cloudy skies, perhaps an isolated rain chance if any of this can kind of survive the overnight hours. But we start tomorrow in the mid 60s and we're going to take it right back up into the 80s for the afternoon. Noontime temperatures around the 80-degree mark with partly cloudy skies. And again, the pop-up rain chances will be around. Today, it's looking like tomorrow's rain chances will likely be farther to the west of us, but I wouldn't kind of count things out here in Northeast Ohio as well. At least we could see an isolated chance around the area. So as far as your whole outlook goes and your Union Home Mortgage outlook, we'll be in the mid 80s with those pop-up chances around. We will have smoky haze, especially late day tomorrow, and then again on Thursday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we are clearing out, but boy, are we warming up. Now we're starting to see this change in the temperatures. When you start to see a change in the temperatures, typically that means we'll probably start to see some changes in the overall outcome of what the weather is going to be, and that's when we're going to start to bring back better chances for rain and thunder. Looks like probably Tuesday more so than Monday. Back to you, Lena.
All right, interesting insights. Thanks, Betsy.
Yep.